Okay, this is a little video about the um, if you have a Land Rover LR3 2005. It's a first edition, very good car, but and the reasons in last season rain start to liquid water inside and the both sides, and I don't know what it happened. So uh, this is a ninja. Always pay attention in what we're doing. Anyway, and I'm checking the videos on YouTube, and I have a big situation. And the sunroof is start here, and the water in the both sides. The water is here, and they're going to for this panel, but here there are airbags. I don't wish to take it or touch anything. This side is very simple. Of course, I am using little things. If you have a chance, using this camera, because you can see inside. You don't need to disassemble too much things. Anyway, and the end, this size is very simple. Very simple. I am using a half hours more or less like that, because it's the last part I'm fixed. And the Amazon on the web, see the you can find the little part for fix this area, but it's the US 90 degrees, and they're taking the pipe and it's coming for the sunroof and the little hole in the car. But I'm using simple this like this little part, very cheap. Okay, it's very simple, but it's working. I will show this. This part is easy. Remove the panel, and here is the panel. It's simple, and you're not using this part in 90 degrees. Only ensemble directly in the pipe and direct in the hole, and that's all. It's very simple to do. It's simple. The real trick is another side. I think in more or less maybe 5 days, and of course I take in my time. I see the videos. Look at the cat. Anyway, and the dog is coming too. This part is big problem, and the videos I am seeing on YouTube taking these panels, this one, but there are a little parts or big areas with the electric part. So they say maybe you don't have a, you are no be careful. Maybe have a problem electric part. Anyway, so we take a decision, and this part is more easy for here. You remove this part, and directly inside is a little hole with the oil pipe. So what I do is simple, is open little more the hole, and there are a chance directly ensemble this little part on the pipe with the old part, and that's all. You don't need to do really it's like a original part, because you can see anything. So the point is working easy when you know in what way you can do it. So this is my case. I don't know. Now it's working. It's cheap, simple, and this part you don't need to disassemble any electric part. Don't destroy any part on the panels, and directly here. And that's all. Good car, but with bad design in this area.